Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do text to speech on your TikTok. Now follow these steps. Now log into your TikTok and click on create video, or you try to upload a video. Record the video or select the video from your device. So for example, this is what I want to upload. Now to add a text to speech to this, first click on text over here. You can see the arrow pointing up. So I'm going to click on text and then write something. Let me just say this is a test, and then I can customize it and make it appear the way I want. Okay, so after writing this, you can see how it's showing. You can drag it anywhere you want to drag it to. Now what you do is tap on this text over here. So you just tap on it once and you're going to see three options: text to speech, set duration, and edit. So you tap on it and then you select text to speech. So let's do that now. Text to speech. Now you can see it has been enabled now and it would read automatically. Now we have to set the duration for text to speech so we know how long it will stay on. So now click on it again, set duration. Now we can set this text for the entire video, or we can set it just for a certain period. So you can see the time frame over here. So you just set the time. So let me just set it to 2 seconds. So this is 1.9 seconds. So after 1.9 seconds, this text will go off. So let's see how it will work. So you can see after 1.9 seconds, the text will go off. So basically, this is how to use text to speech on TikTok. You just have to proceed, enter your video details, and publish. If you watched to this moment and this video was beneficial to you, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.